Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben from B&N Gardening Maintenance. Finally finished the side of the house. Looks bloody good. Still got a fair whack of mulch at the front, but not as much as I did. We got delivered 16 cubes. I'll come and show you how much I've got left, ladies and gentlemen. Got blisters all over my hand. Can hardly pick up bloody shovel. Working in the rain. This is how much we got left, ladies and gentlemen. Not much compared to where it was. Now it's pissing down rain, and I'm still working in the rain. There's only